What is up guys, this is Vishu from SavageCamp and today we are going to learn about a keyword called GREP. So in the last video I tried using GREP, and if you're following this series you might not know what GREP is. So in this video I'm going to show you how to use this command GREP. So if I do an ls, you will see I have original, sample, random and test. So these are like 4 files. Now there are 2 ways to use GREP. One is you do ls, which is like write a command, then put a pipe. So you're saying that the command is not over, I need to add something else, and I can add the keyword GREP and do random or just RAN. What this will do is highlight any file that has this keyword. And if I do a cat on sample, this is one file which is just hello world, line 3, line 4 and 5. And if I do a cat on random, this is a big file with an article. So I just pulled the first article that I saw on my homepage and I pasted it over here. So do not try to read this, it's just random words. But we are going to use GREP on these 2 files to show you how it works. So the first way to do GREP is write the command and then put a pipe and then GREP and whatever word you want to find. The second way is to first write the GREP keyword, then you say 4 and then you put in the file name. So I'm putting the file name of sample. It will pull out any line that consists the word 4 because we are grepping for 4 in sample. Now let's do a cat sample and I will go through some of the common ones you are most likely to use. So the first one we already saw, GREP. And if I do a GREP, let's do hello. So if I do GREP hello and then put in sample, it is not going to give me anything because it is trying to search for the exact word. If I want it to be case sensitive, like if I do a capital H, it is going to find it. But if I do a small h, it is not able to find it. And that is why we have this -i switch in GREP. So if I do a -i, it ignores case. So even if I send the small letter h, it is going to match with the uppercase h. Now we saw GREP -i. This is the most frequently used switch in GREP because you want to be case sensitive. The second one that we are going to do is called as, let me show you this. So we have 2 lines. If I want to check if anything starts with the letter line or the word line, so I will do a caret. This is called as a caret, the symbol above the letter 6. And if I do that, it would find sample. Now let's go over the other file. So if I do a cat of random, this is a big file, a huge file. So let's try to search for lockdown. So clear the screen, grep lockdown, and then we'll pass in random. So it is able to find lockdown. And if I want to find something that, let's do the. So this is one of the problems you might face. So if I do the letter the, you will see that we are able to find this word, but then we have theater. So theater also has the, THE, and then them, their, other. All of these have this 3 letters, THE. What if I just want to find for the word THE? I don't want any other letters after this. So I can search for the whole word with the switch -w. -w will say that match the whole word. So this is not matching the whole word. This is matching the first 3 characters. So if I do this, the only things that you see being highlighted are the whole word. So -w is for word, and if you want, you can also do -n, which will give me the line number. So here you will see line number 19, here you will see line number 12, here you will see line number 10, line number 5, and line number 3 and 1. So it is able to find out the line number if you pass in the -n switch. And the last one is, let's go back to our sample file, and here if I do a grep and -v, which stands for ignore, and if I do a -v on line, oh, I need to also pass in the file sample. So it is printing everything except the word line. So line 3 and line 4 is not coming up because it matches this word, and we are passing -v, which means ignore this word. So these are the 6 common grep switches that you might need to use. Now grep also supports regular expression. If you know regular expression, you can do a lot of things with grep. But if you're starting out, I think this is enough. Like, the most common you will be using is the -i to ignore the case sensitivity, and -v to ignore some words. And I think that is it for this video, guys, and I will see you guys in the next one.